Welcome to the George Mason University Libraries tutorial on managing my library account. After using this tutorial, you will be able to locate your library account, log in, and view and renew materials that you have checked out. My library account is the primary place to check account details, such as items currently being borrowed, fines, status of loan requests, and personal details. To begin, click on the My Library Account link located in the upper right-hand corner of the library's homepage. Select either Mason students, faculty, and staff, CAS, or affiliates depending on your affiliation with George Mason. George Mason students, staff, or faculty members will be prompted to sign in, using their NetID and the same password used for signing into their George Mason email or Canvas account. Affiliates will be prompted to sign in, using their user ID and password. Two-factor authentication may be required. After logging in, we are on the Overview tab of My Library Accounts. This shows us currently checked out materials under Loans, fine balances under Fine plus Fees, the status of hold requests under Requests, and any blocks or messages on the account under Blocks plus Messages. With the institution filters on the left side of the page, you can view information related to materials checked out from each institution. Select an institution to view it. By default, you will be in the view for George Mason University when you open the page. Any institution that has activity will display a clipboard icon with the alt text "Has activity." After selecting the relevant institution, use the navigation bar to view information related to that institution's library. You can select from tabs to view the overview, which is the default view, or Loans, Request, Fine plus Fees, Blocks plus Messages, or Personal Details to view each of these in more detail. To renew individual items, navigate to the Loans tab. Select items to renew one at a time by clicking Renew beside each item, or select Renew All to renew all items. Another tab of the My Library Account navigation bar is Requests. Select Requests to view and manage any pending requests made for materials from George Mason or its partner libraries. Each title will display the status of the request. View an item's record in the catalog by selecting its title, or cancel a request by selecting Cancel in that item's row. Navigating to the Fine plus Fees tab provides detailed information about library fines, from George Mason University libraries or our partner libraries. Pay fines with Mason Money at the circulation desk. For questions about fines or fees, please email info@gmu.libanswers.com. Navigating to the Blocks plus Messages tab provides information on any blocks or holds on your account and displays any messages sent to your account. Contact info@gmu.libanswers.com with any questions about blocks and messages. Navigating to the Personal Details tab provides your account's personal information, such as your account type. Select Edit Details to add or change your contact information, making sure to select Save Changes after any edits. In this tutorial, you learned how to navigate My Library Account. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please refer to our other tutorials or contact a librarian by following the links in the tutorial's description.